Hello everyone, my name is Ernest and I would like to demonstrate to you the full functionality of this management system. This is an online stock management system, yet you can use locally on your computer. So after you have logged in, this is the dashboard of the system. Now at the dashboard you have your dates, you have total products registered, you have the total number of orders also, then your stocks which are in low stock to registered here, then this is the total revenue of your company or your organization or your store. Now this is the brand. You have to click on the brand, you go to the brand page where you add brand. So for instance, I use this system to manage a boutique, so I have brands like Nike and Adidas. So you register your brand, you go to the next page which is the category page. Now, is there any fashion wear, sportswear? Then you add under the category page also. Then the next page you have your product page where you have to add any products of your store or your company. Then at the next page too, you have the options to order, to create an order. You can create an order using this system. Then at the next page you can import also. Maybe you are using a press system where you have your products on a spreadsheet. You can import from your spreadsheet into the system without typing them afresh. Then at the next page you can generate reports of your sales throughout the week, the month, any date you select, you generate a report. Then at the last page, that is the setting page, you can change your password and your admin name which you use to log in into the system. So now let's dive into the system. So as I said, it's an online stock management system, yet you can use locally on your computer. Today I'm going to run it locally using a local server called XAMPP. I will do a second video where I will upload it online so that we see how this system works also online. But today I'm using XAMPP as my local server. So the system is called Stock Master. So this is the login page of the system, Stock Master. So please sign in. So my username is Kwame. Then my password. So as you can see, this is the dashboard of the system. You have 0 products registered, 0 total revenue, total number of orders 0, low in stock to 0. So we go to the brand page. So like I said, I use this system to manage a boutique. So now I'll create brand. So I have brands like Nike, then it's available. Is it available or not available? So you have the option to choose. I add another brand like Adidas. For demonstration purpose, let's use only these two. So if you have more brands, you have the option to search. The search engine works fine. So like Nike, you type, it just appears Nike. So let's move on to the next page. It's category. So since it's a boutique, I have categories like fashion. It's a fashion wear. It's also available. Another category, let's say sports. It's also available. For demonstration, let's use only these two. So after you have created your brand and your category, now you can create your products. So this is where we create products. You have the option to choose a product picture. So I have some pictures on my desktop I would want to use. So first I'm creating a Nike product. So it's a t-shirt. Then the product name, let's say, the product code 01. Product description, so it's a round neck, white, t-shirt. Quantity, I have 50 in stock. Rate, let's say 150 cedis. It's a Nike product, let's say fashion. Then status is available. So it has been registered. As you can see, we have it here. So I can create another product. Let me create an Adidas product. So I'll create shoes. Product name, shorts wear. Code 02. You can register with any code. That is your product code. The description, black, sports shoes. Quantity, let's say I have 20. Rate 90 cedis. It's an Adidas sports available. So I would like to pause the video and add some more products. After that I'll come back to. Okay, I'm back. So as you can see, I have more products registered. Now you can see some of the products show not available in the red colors. You can edit them if you have them in stock now. Not available means they are not in stock now. So if you have some of these products in stock now, you just go to the action pane, then edit. So this is the image. You can choose to change the image, then the product information. So if you have a different number of quantity in stock, you can choose to edit them. Then now if it is available, you choose available option, then you click save. It updates, so we can see that that product is now available. If your products are not available, when you go to the other page, those products are not going to be shown at the other page. Now this page shows only 10 of your products. You can choose entries where it can show about 25. So let's say this first page is showing 10. I have 2 more products at the next page. So when I choose up to 25, automatically it will add the remaining one. So we have the products 11 and products 12. If I choose 10, it's going to show only 10, then therefore the products 11 and 12 are not going to be shown. And the search also works perfectly. So let's say I want only Nike products, so immediately I choose the Nike, only the Nike brands shows. If I want only shoes, immediately I choose shoes, only the shoes also shows. So it is working perfectly. And we have the options also to delete products, but before I would want to make some orders before I would like to delete any of these products. So let's go to the ordering page. So here, add orders, then the dates, you add the current date, the name of the customer, now the phone number, in number 0244 244 2444. Here it is very important to register your products with unique names. So as you can see, if you only register them with, let's say, t-shirt, when you appear here, it's going to be only t-shirt, but you have the product code attached to it. So if you can't remember the product you are looking for, you can go back to the product page where you locate it by the product code. So we have t-shirt, so that is why the preceding ones I try to make them unique. So A shorts means Adidas shorts, and the product code is 8. As you can see, it is showing only products that are available. If the product is not available, it will not show here. So I will make some orders. So let's say I want A shoes. The rate is 260 cedis per quantity. So the number of quantities you want, you type it there, then automatically the total rate increases. So let me add t-shirts. So the number of t-shirts, when you put it there, automatically it increases. Let me add another order. I want A shorts, that is Adidas shorts, 80 cedis. I want quantity 2, so automatically it increases. You can add rows, order rows, so that you can add more orders of your choice, or you can choose to delete them. So for now I'm just maintaining only 3. And here, if there is a discount, when you add a discount, so let's say 5%, it calculates the grand total automatically. Then this is the due amount the person is supposed to pay. So let's say the person is to pay 1,189 cedis, 80 pesos, and the person makes payment of, let's say, 900 cedis. So now the remaining amount to be added is 289 cedis, 80 pesos. Pay by cash or any type of payment system you select. So this one is advanced because the person did not pay in full. So when you click on save, successfully added. Now you can print your order. So this is so the person bought 3 products, then the product code, the quantity of products the person bought per each product, the unit price, the total amount of price, then a VAT. It's automatically calculated, it's pre-registered in the codes. I think in the future, once I would make it optional so that the user will select it by him or herself. But for now, I have to make changes in the code so that if your VAT is more than 3%, it will calculate it automatically. Now this is the date, the name of the client, the telephone number, and this is the information of the company. So now you can go to manage order. Since the person did not make full payments, it is advance payment. So now if the person make full payment, you go to payments, then the due amount, if the person added it, then you select buy cash, then now full payment, save. So now it has been registered full payment, so you can print it now. So it goes into PDF because I've not connected any printer. So this is the ordering page. Now reports, I've skipped the import, I'll come back to it. Report, so I'll select the dates. It's only today that I've made some orders, so the beginning date and the ending date where you want to generate a report. So I'll generate a report, and also it shows the number of orders, the order dates, the client, the contacts, and the grand total. So when we go back to the dashboard, you see that total revenue is what has been paid over there, and the total number of orders is 1. The total products, we have 12 products now, and the low stock. So now let's go to the imports page. So import, add brand. Let's say you want to add your brand without typing them. Now the Excel sheet must correspond to the database table. So I've created a sample here where you click and it will download. So when you open the sample, so this is how it should be. So it should be product 1, product 2, and the status 1 means available, 0 means not available. So I will import this same file I just downloaded. So I'll go to my downloads, and this is it, the brand one. Let me import it. So when you go back to the brand page, we can see that product 1 has been added. The second product was not added because it was not available. So the same way you can import categories, then you can import products also. Everything works fine. For the sake of time, I'll just leave it here and go to the settings page. So when you go to the settings page, the admin, I registered with Kwame. So let's say now I change it to admin. So successfully added. Now I change my password also. So the current password I used, you can see that this one is long, so the next one I'll make it short so that we see that it works. Successfully added. So I'll log out and come back. I registered with admin. Now the password. Sorry. Please, I would make some changes. Hello, so I'm back. I'm sorry for the mistake. I made some changes in the code which I didn't save. So again, I'm logging with the previous account. I've made a little changes in the dashboard. The user's name has been called here Kwame. So let's go to the settings page. So I want to change it to admin. And the password, the current password is this long. Let me just use a short password this time. So successfully added, and the username too has been successfully added. So I'll log out and log in again with this current registration. So admin, and the password is 123. So you can see that it works now. So admin has been called at the dashboard. So when you go back to the settings page, you can add a user. So I'll add a user called Andy. The password Andy123. So successfully added. So I'll log out and log in again with this current user or new user. So Andy. So you can see that Andy too can log in now. So again, this is the full view of the system, the brand, the category page, the product page. So again, you can edit the products. With the product image, you can change it, and when you go to the information, you can make it not available when it is out of stock. So you can see that it's not available now. So when you go to the other page, the next page, the import brand, either brand, category or products, in the settings page. So this is the full view of the system. Thanks for watching.